Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on Allstate Insurance online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you changed addresses with Allstate and you want to go ahead and update your address on Allstate online. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Allstate account. Now, in the bottom hand corner, you're going to see this button here that says Edit My Policy. Go ahead and click on Edit My Policy. Now, on this page here, you can manage your drivers, you can change your coverage, you can cancel your policy. Go ahead and click on Change My Address. Now, once you click on this option here, you're going to see your addresses on the upper hand side. Go ahead and change your address by clicking on the button. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your address on Allstate Insurance online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.